Good morning, traders. Welcome to the E-mini Thunderdome. We are live. It is November 9th, 2023. Hope everyone had a great night. As always, this is pure entertainment, not liable or any losses or damage to anyone's live account, evaluation, or PA. Shouldn't be following any of my trades. You should be doing your own analysis, and if it all works out that we are correlating, chances are we are going in the right direction. All right, let's see here. Disclaimer off. I just took a trade. I should have been done already. I made money. Hold on one second. Made money in the overnight, and then gotta admit I got greedy. Decided to take another trade because it's showing signs that's going to 78, and I got caught in the chop, and I gave back half of my profits. So decided to take another trade here. Yeah. So here we go. So the video that I posted got taken down. YouTube said that someone flagged it or made a complaint. I didn't say anything that I don't always say, so maybe is a competitor, or I don't know, but I didn't talk about any hate or violence. I didn't talk about the war. I didn't talk about politics. It was just about trading. So yeah, if you got to watch and you trade the ETH, you made some money because it was very little risk, because it only went 15 ticks under my entry. So yeah, it's funny how I don't tell you, so you can go and fix it. It's like, hey, what did I do wrong? What's wrong with the video? All that they say is just that you broke a YouTube policy. That's it. So yeah, very weird, but all right. So we opened up in balance. What does that mean? It means that we opened up inside of yesterday's range. So that is in balance. So it's very hard to figure out if they're going to stay inside of that. So are they going to be doing outside in or inside out until it reaches the top of yesterday's range or bottom? So it's very choppy. If you look at the opening, I mean, look at this. It's all of this, all chop. So now it broke out of the range, and that's why I decided to go and take my second trade here, my second RTH trade. Yeah, I got chopped up here. Thought that I was gonna go and break, make a new high, and boom, came all the way down. Come on, go! Get me out! And yeah, and I thought it would hold here, and it didn't, and I lowered my stop, and gave back some profits. All right, now we are at the top of getting towards the top of yesterday's range. So I have a target of 76.77. I have a target of 76.81. I have a target of 77.15 and then 77.23. I have quite a few to the upside. Come on, come on. Make a new high. Let's go. So I believe that what should have happened yesterday, well, I'm going to go and repeat everything I said in the video. So I believe that what should have happened yesterday, it's going to happen today. That chances are that we'll go and see the mid 77 or even as high as 78. And if we go all the way up to 80, if it holds, then we're going all the way down to anywhere between 71 and 70. If it hop nice through 80, then we will, chances are that we may go all the way up to 95, test the high of the year. So, yeah. Keep an eye out. So for how it deals with 80 will be the clue. All right. So having a little hard time on making new highs here. If it can't hold 50, it may go all the way back down to 26 and take me out. So it's crucial that it holds holds 50. So all of this area here should all be support. So if you haven't, if I wasn't on a long already, I would probably initiate or add. But high risk that it fails because they could be doing outside. Oh, high risk that, yeah, that it fails because they could be doing outside in and go back all the way to the middle here. 26. So it has been doing a poor job of making new highs. If it takes me out, I'm going to go either stop taking trades. Obviously, I'll still narrate, or I'll go to MCL. Because I don't want to give back any more of my profits. All right, Squawk Box is on. Hopefully we won't get any geopolitical news to change the direction of the market. Yeah, if it hot nice 80, we can go all the way up to 95.96. It could turn into a wave 3 and go all the way up to 120. But that is quite expensive for crude. I don't know if if the U.S. government will allow that. They'll try to do everything they can to lower prices. It could break our economy if we go above 120. I am tempted to now that it went as close as 68. I'm tempted to move my first target higher to 93. All right, I'm gonna split it. Let's see if I can split it. I think I could split it. Yeah, I could split it. This could be greedy of me. Let's see. At least scale me out once, so I have at least some risk off. All right, 50 iceberg just hit. Could be a strategic, right, to finally get this going, or they could be trying to block the market. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Oh, man. Oh, go, go, go. Get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out. Come on. Oh, my God. Go, go. Oh, one tick. No, no. Get me out, get me out, get me out. Come on. Oh, no. Yes. 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 All right. Woohoo. Yes. Ah. Woohoo. All right. All right. Again, first target is 77. Just did a high of 76. There it is, 77. All right. It could all stop at 76.80. All right. Target done. That's done. Could all stop at 80. There's definitely going to be sellers at 80. Oh, another iceberg. Another 50. Okay, a lot of interest at 80. There are, let's see, 50 orders. 25 of it is a big lot, institutional. So that's a good sign. They are looking to trade. Oh, they added. Now it's 76 orders and 50 is institutional. All right, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up. So you guys had a chance to enter this trade. I gave out a little hint if I was to re-enter it or add. Not a recommendation. Here we go. Here we go. Buy sweep. They took all of that 50 and they bought more. Now we're picking up momentum. Need to hot knife right through 80. There's definitely going to be a lot of sellers in this area where my exit is. All of this here is all resistance. So if you went long and you haven't scaled out, it would be a good idea to scale out anywhere inside of this box. All right, now we are starting to discover new prices. Things are changing. This is what I wanted to see. Now we are out of balance. It's exactly what I thought was going to happen. And The chop here, just I'll bet it took a lot of people out. Come on, come on. All right, so but trend, even though we're up, the big rips are still to the downside. If we look at, don't want to look away too much, but where was it? This rip here, 85 ticks down. So most of the go, get me out, get me out, get me out. Yes, go, go, go. I'm getting out, I'm getting out. Yes, yes. There's gonna be sellers here. I don't care. I want out. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes, another beautiful day. That's what I'm talking about. All right, stop to entry. If I get stopped out, I'm done. And there it is, 92. I could have had a little more. I don't care. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! All right, here comes some selling. So most of the big rips are to the downside. So unless it keeps going here, another 40 ticks. Glad I moved that second target up. All right, get me out. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so obviously now there's going to be heat. All of this is going to be all heat. And here's the sell pressure already. There's that wick. Come on, give me another 20 ticks. Let's go. Do at least 60. Here we go. Here we go. Momentum is picking up. Not a whole lot of interest at 95. There's 49, but there's only about 20 that's institutional. Yes, go, go, go. 70 is all small lot or retail trader. Another 50 iceberg just hit. All right, I need to start protecting some of this. Oh, what a beautiful move. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Give me another 10 ticks. Still no institutional at 70, but now they have some at 0.99. So no institutionals are trying to block 77. They may hot knife right through. Yes, go, 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 go. Oh, I'm tempted to get out. I am tempted to get out. Oh my God, 2 ticks. Ugh. I think it's going to pull back now. All right, I'm getting out. If it does a test of 04, I'll take it. I don't want to deal with a pullback. Oh my God, 2 ticks. That, if it pulls back, that's going to drive me crazy. Come on. Get me out, get me out, get me out. All right, I'm getting out. All right. Ah, man. Yeah, here comes the sellers. Shoot. 2 ticks. Ah. That's gonna bother me. Come on, get me out. Get me out. All right, now there's a institutional at 77. Yeah, it's going to pull back. That sucks. Oh. Yeah, here's the pullback. Oh, that's annoying. So my true target is 77.15. I'm not gonna raise it. I just went out and I want to go and either just narrate or switch to MCL. So, oh my God, this sucks. Get me out. Let's go. All right. Actually, I'm gonna go and lower the exit here. I just went out because this could put me on tilt. Right, there's interest at 77. Half of it is institutional. All right, I'm gonna get out at. Wow, that sucks. That would have been an extra $70. Oh well, I'll just be happy if it takes me out. Go, 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 go! Take me out, take me out. Get me out. I just want out. Yes! 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 Hoo hoo hoo! All right, guys. I'm gonna take a little break here, and I'm gonna go and switch everything to MCL. I'll be right back. All right. So it looks like the high of MCL is one tick lower. So 7704. Okay. All right. Whew, that was fun. All right. Whew. Oh, and there's my target. Oh, man, there's my target. All right. Hey, at least I'm happy that I was right on. Yeah, should have been a little more patient, but as you guys know, I get skittish when I'm trying to hold on to my profits. Oh, geopolitical news, guys, just came out. Israel will begin to implement 4-hour passes to northern Gaza each day. Israel told U.S. there will be no military operation in these areas over the pause, which will start today. All right, so, oh, there's another geo. U.S. President Biden says U.S. will hit IRGC and affiliate group targets in Syria again if it has to. Okay, so let's see if this does anything to the market. So there could be an extension here. It did a very weak pullback, so it may go long again at 98. I'm gonna take a little pause here, but I've might have gone into a trade here, and first target would either be that 15 or 0.20, but I'm staying out. We are at we are at a critical number here. Sellers are going to try to maintain this number, so it's a high risk trade. So I prefer to see it pull back a little more, but this move here is all consolidation, right? So it has to break out of this area. So momentum so far is to the upside, so chances are it's gonna keep on going, but we are consolidating, so it is a high risk trade. And if it could hot knife 20, then next target will be 0.36. Anywhere up here would be the runner. All right, guys, I'll be right back. I'm going to go and grab my coffee. I'll be right back. Actually, it could actually be a little higher here. It can go all the way as high as 40. All right. All right. I'm gonna trade. One lot only MCL. Don't want to give back any of this money. I don't mind losing $10, but or even give back $100, but that's it. I'm not gonna just trade for the sake of trading. Need to preserve my profits. So gonna take AAA trades, but how do you know it is a AAA, right? You never know. But all right, we are consolidating here. So in balance to break out of balance. So hot box, you should already know. That's what I call consolidation. My hot box. And if you knew, oops, well, if you know, there's quite a few new subscribers. Hot knife, when I say hot knife, is just when it goes right through a handle, a level, support or resistance. Hot knife through butter. So when I say I need to hot knife a handle, I want a clean cut right through. No sell pressure, no buy pressure. Just want it to go right through. Right, I'm going to take a chance here. Let's see. So I'm going to try to go in a little lower so I could have less risk, because I want my stop to be under 90. It may be running away from me, but yeah, I think I'm being too tight, but it's okay. So, VWAP just moved up. All right, so it was at 90. That's why I wanted the stop to be under 90. So I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to cancel. Because now VWAP is at 77 even. So they may do outside in, or 77 will turn into support. So here they are testing prior POC that could also act as support. So price check. Are we okay with 90? Is it still cheap? Can we go on, or are we overbought and we need to go under prior POC? All right, iceberg just hit. It was a small one, 20 lots, so it could launch from here, but I'm just going to stay out. It's just too choppy. All right, another geopolitical White House spokesperson Kirby says U.S. still does not currently support a ceasefire at this time. All right, a lot of geo news here. As we well know, it could affect crude. Yeah, looks like it's trying to pick up momentum to launch, but we're still inside of this hot box. So let's see if this new POC turns into support, launches, new high, hits my first target of 15, and then from there it can go all the way up to 20, or even all the way up to 40. So the true entry is anywhere between 90 and 95 to go all the way up. So buyers and sellers are agreeing in prices. Yeah, what they did for my video, this is why a lot of people complain. Oh, and there it is, right at target. Wow. Boom. Woo! 2 ticks above. Oh, wow. Nice little trade. Target hit. That is beautiful. Huh? All right. Now, that is a lot of selling pressure. We could be done here. If you didn't have already an exit at 15, be careful. Be careful, because that's a lot of selling pressure. Well, target hit. 15. Yeah. As I was saying about YouTube, there are people who make a living out of streaming, and they get these videos taken down. All of a sudden, they can't make any money. That sucks. That was a quick hit. I'm suspicious. I don't know. That's a lot of selling pressure. And it fell right back into the hot box. Are they going to launch again? All right. It's getting very volatile here. It could be all of this geopolitical news. Yeah. Let's see how it deals with. Do a quick, just a quick little FIBO here. It could be a clue. So we want to see it go above 11 again. If 11 holds, then we may do a pullback all the way down to 82. So not a rule what I just did, but sometimes that does work. And then we look at that, went all the way to 10 and they started selling. So sometimes it's just a little extra thing that you can do to have an idea. So watch out, 82. If you didn't exit, if you're still long, be careful. So we may go all the way down to 82. Or it may hold here. They may do outside in, outside of the hot box. It's the bottom, right? Outside in to go and finish going all the way to 20 or all the way. There'll definitely be sellers at 20. How much selling? Don't know. And don't even know if it'll keep going, right? All right, there's a lot of interest at 77. Now, what did I tell you guys? There it is. 84, 82. Boom, right on the money. So that actually was a short trade, but not enough information to take that trade unless I was scalping 4 or 5 points. Yeah. If you took any of these longs, which you shouldn't be following any of my trades, and you made some money, turn off your PC and get out of here. Don't be tempted. And it's not even if you're on sim. Even if you're on sim and you're profitable, you need to start the habit of turning off the PC. It's all about good habits. Go read a book called The Atomic Habit. It's all about having good habits because you will be tempted. Oh, let's try one more, and then you give all your profits back, plus you go negative. So don't be curious what I do, what I call. If you are positive and you reached your profit target, learn how to turn off your computer. Stop. All right, I think there's a T-bill coming out or something. And if you are on sim trading, it should only be to learn your platform, should be to implement a new strategy. You shouldn't be trading sim. Go and buy yourself a evaluation so you can feel all of the feelings of trading live. Because sim, it's fake. You will not get all of that adrenaline rush. You won't get the, So I think it started yesterday. Apex has 71% off, and they have half off on all resets. So this is the only time that I suggest doing a reset instead of canceling and buying a new evaluation, because I think resetting is cheaper than restarting starting a new evaluation. So if you haven't tried Apex, go and use my coupon code. If you haven't gone Bookmap yet, what are you waiting for? Use my coupon code. I have not. The only time that I've traded without Bookmap since 2018 is when I had computer issues. My RAM was in overdrive. Otherwise, it's an essential tool. You want to see where the stops are hit. You want to see the icebergs. And you also need to go and get TTW, which is the third-party add-on that I use. Bookmap has their own icebergs and stops, but it's not as good as TTW. It's a German guy. Come on. German engineers are the best. You know? You can't go wrong with German engineering. And programming is a type of engineering, right? So, all right. So that was a beautiful short. I warned everybody. If you were long and you didn't listen to me, yeah, I'm sorry. All right. So either we're done here or it can go a little more. It can go a little more here. So either it found support. So there could be a long here. I'm going to take a high risk trade here. I'm going to take a little, one lot only. Just a little. Just going to do a quick scalp. Let's see if it wants to go and do a what is it called? Outside in trade. A lot of buying pressure. This should be support. Actually, I'm going to get in a little lower because I want my stop to be under 60. So, am I going to... oh, man. I was talking and I didn't pay attention. I could have got in lower. All right. Well, it's only MCL. Oh, all right. I want to get in as... I'm going to keep going down with it unless it gets me filled. Oh, my ATM is not on. Oh, my God. This is going to drive me crazy. All right, I'm getting out. I'm getting out, and I'm going to put another order in. All right, come on, ATM. All right, here we go. Yeah, it drives me crazy if I don't have the what the hell is going on? Something is wrong with my ATM here. What the hell is going on? What the hell is wrong with my ATM? I don't know. All right, let's see if it works now. What the hell is wrong with my ATM? Again. What the hell is wrong with my ATM? That sucks. Well, I need to put a stop. Don't know what's wrong with my ATM. Yeah, I've had issues before. If the ATM's not on, I forget that I have an open order, and so I give back some money there. All right, so we weren't done, and I knew that was a high risk trade. Okay. All right, I may take a long again. All right, let's see if the ATM works this time. All right, this geo news may have changed everything. So, I may want to go all the way down to 26. What the hell is going on? All right, I'm having issues here. And this kind of stuff only happens with the micros. Don't know what it is, but it only happens with micro. All right, let's see if we can get a test of this high, the bottom of the hot box. Happens with the MCL, the MNQ. Oh, okay. That's what it was. Ah, I shouldn't. Okay, we need to be very careful here. There's a Fed that is speaking. I thought it was a T-bill. It's a Fed, so it may get volatile here. He started at 8 o'clock. It's Fed Bowman. That was what the alarm was. So, all right. If it gets me out, I'm gonna stop trading. It can get volatile here. I'll give myself a little more room here, but yeah. I wish I could tell Google what the alarm is. That would be a lot easier. All right, this is a significant drop. So this is momentum. Things may have changed. And again, the big moves are to the downside. But we have quite a few things showing that market wants to stay positive. So let's see if buyers step in. So we are at the bookmap VWAP. Let's see if this holds. It's at 51. So was there any icebergs at the top when it made a new high? No. No icebergs there. No icebergs there. Yeah, the only thing that looks... Oh, it's going to take me out. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, the only thing is the sell pressure here. Yeah, not looking good here. Should have never entered this trade. Wasn't paying attention. But you never know also with a Fed. You don't know if it's going to affect crude or not. All right. Guys, I'm done trading. That's it. I'll hang around a little bit more, but I'm not going to give any more money back. It's, yeah, it should have held this area here. It's not holding, so we may be going back to choppiness, and I want nothing. I want no part of it. So this whole area here should have held. Unless it wants to go and do a wave B down or a wave 2 down, that could be it. But we are right at the launching area. We are already inside of it. Yeah, anything in this area here is all either a wave 2 down or a wave B down. So if it goes past 26, then we may test 76 again. So it should start launching from here. Wow, yeah, so big fail of 77. It couldn't get continuation. No buyers. So don't know if we will see a if you recall, the same thing happened on Monday. But Monday was what was Monday? It was 81, right? I think it was 81. It couldn't hold 81. Was it Monday? It was the 6th. No, I'm sorry. It couldn't hold 82. That was the 6th. Yeah, it was Monday. So exact same thing happened on Monday. It went as high as, what is that, 82, 19, and immediately started to sell off. So it's not accepting 77. So either we're going to go into chop, or we still have an open gap. We have an open gap all the way down to quite a ways down, 75.24. So it did Pac-Man a little bit into the open gap this morning, but not much. It only did 20 ticks. So if it doesn't launch from here and test at least this area here, we could be done to the upside. That is a lot of momentum. It's mostly all sell bars, sell candles. And here comes the volatility. They're trying to hold 26. We came all the way down to 26. As I said, if it couldn't hold that area between 50 and 45 where it stopped me, it's going to go down to 26. So that happened. Now this is decision point. This is decision point. We're either going to go and test 76, or it's going to go back up. So buyers need to hold this level. We don't want to see, if I was a buyer, I don't want to see between 0.10 and 76 even. So 76.10 is the bond. There it is. It just hit it. Oh, yeah. What did it hit? 11? It hit 12. So between 10 and 76 needs to hold. But there are definitely going to be a lot of buyers down here. But they may be exhausted after all of this, because I'm sure they were buying all of this. So have they puked? Have they scaled in and exited already? We are at the bottom, maximum wave 2. We're probably past FIBO 76, aren't we? So, oops. Yeah. So this is the last chance here before buyers get completely exhausted. Oh, I'm not paying attention. Whole bunch of icebergs, guys. Let's see. That's 225, about 300 in icebergs. So it could be strategic to hold this market to start momentum back up, or they're all sell to go right through 76. All right, geopolitical. Palestinian IA Quds Brigades. What is that? Palestinian military spokesperson says it is prepared to release two hostages for humanitarian and medical reasons. All right. Yeah. Things may have changed here, guys. I would be careful with long. These icebergs could be all sell. If it's not, it could start momentum to the downside. I think we may see a 77.86. That's my next target to the downside. So first is 08 and then 75.86, and then I also have 75.61. Yeah, if buyers can't hold the low of RTH, it could be an issue. All right, another iceberg's about to hit. Let's see how large it is. Oh, it was a small one, 20 lot. Yeah, so this is definitely, I mean, it could be an extreme too, but I wouldn't count that as a wave two anymore. So unless we go to a higher time frame, and this is one. So on a 15-minute chart, this here could be a retest of a wave two, because not a retest, but wave two. Looks like they're trying to hold that 10. Needs to hot knife right through 26. All right, hidden order iceberg waiting at 76.10. Already 33 filled. It will probably be a 50 iceberg. So let's see if it tracks the market down. They may be succeeding in holding. Yeah, but I have a feeling we are done with 77. This area will probably hold. So now what we are seeing, this here could be a wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, wave five. Which it could actually just end also right at the low of RTH. So it could be a truncated 5. But this here is pretty shallow wave 2, but it could be a wave 2. Yeah, I would have. It would have been more of a wave two if it was a little more deeper in the 80s, but it could just be a shallow wave two. Yeah, actually, it's a little more up, I would say, tiny bit more up. So right here, all of this here is all wave four. So let's see how it holds here. There could be a short opportunity here. So wave three is the longest wave, followed by wave five. So there could be a short. I'm done. I'm not gonna take any more trades. I'll hang around a tiny bit more here, but yeah, there could be a short anywhere in between. Yeah, there could be a short now already. So it was a shallow two. It could be a shallow four. So it would initiate right now, and we'll go and test 76. So it could be a short starting right now all the way down to at least 76, and it may go even as far down as that point 86, 75.86. But I would scale off one at least at 10. I would scale off one here. Not a recommendation, just what I would do if I was on this trade. I would scale off at all of these levels here. So I would have had my stop somewhere around here. I would have entered probably at 30 or 29. Scaled off at 10, 76, and then if I had more, I would scale off 87 and then, oh, my back, 74. So anywhere in here could all be a target. Oh my God, another whole bunch of icebergs. Another 100, what is that? Another 200 icebergs. And there's one that's 40 filled at 32. They just added another one that's trying to fill. That's going to be probably another 50 at 23. That's 200, 250. Another one. Oh, they lowered the one that was above to 23. So it was at 30 and they lowered it to 23. And there it is, target. Come on, show me that 10. That iceberg is still at 10. It hit 11, huh? Hit 11. So that would have been a nice little trade. All right, let's see if the iceberg at 23 is a magnet. Let's see which one fills first, 23 or 0.10. There's the 10. 87 iceberg. All right, nice little trade. Here we go. It's going to test. What is that? Not 76. That was 04. Oh, another iceberg, another 50, and that one at 23 is still open. So what are they trying to do? That is a lot of icebergs in this area. That's, how is that 700 already? It could be a launcher. It could be a Elon Musk's SpaceX here, or anchors away. All right, I'm seeing signs that it may want to pull back here. And it can go and test that 40 again. So be careful if you haven't scaled out, because this is the bottom of RTH. There are going to be buyers. And with all of these icebergs, it could start momentum. It can go all the way back up to 40. So it's starting to get very choppy and dangerous because we don't know the intentions of these icebergs. That one is still at 23, still open. Let me see if I could count here. I'm very curious of how many went off. So, all right, that's 130, 200, 200, 250, 300, 400, 450, 530, 530. Okay. 530. And that is 530 icebergs. So it could all be a launcher. We may see a SpaceX here. Very strategic area, right? Holding 76. So this may launch all the way to 40. So another nice little trade we may say here. But yeah, these chop, outside in, the outside in, outside in. And there it is. Show me that 40. And I'm not upset that I didn't take these trades at all, even though they were nice little trades. All right, POCs everywhere. For a second, it had moved from 35 all the way down to 16, and now it's back at 35 again. So these icebergs just moved point of control up and down. And there it is, 40. Boom. Two nice little trades. So they were able to hold that. This is why especially if you're on evaluation or PA, you need to scale off. Because otherwise, all of this, even though you might have had your stop at entry, you know that this would have counted as profit. And your drawdown goes down, right? So never trade. And this is why you always want to be at a micro, because you're able to trade more contracts. If you can't trade more than one, you're trading the wrong instrument. Because you want to be, if you're on a evaluation, you want to be able to scale out, not only to lock in those profits, but risk off. Risk off just in case you're wrong. Just in case you're wrong on your trade, at least you'll be losing less, right? Risk off. And there it is. Okay, let's see how it deals with this area here. This is crucial, but now with all of those icebergs, this may change everything, and we may still see 77. So even though those icebergs could be sell, it creates a vacuum to the upside, right? Because it forms imbalance. So the market has to go and fill, and that may start momentum, and traders, okay, it's going up. Let's buy. So it could have been a sell. Market has to fill in these orders. Always has to be someone on the opposite side of the trade. So market goes up, and this could create momentum, and it can keep going. And that's why institutions, professionals go and put their orders in different handles. And there's also a limit of how many orders you could put per handle also. All right, guys, I'm done. We're past an hour here. Be careful with the chop. It can go choppy now. So if the top of this hot box holds, it could just start to go up and down here. All right, everyone. Thank you. Yeah, let's see. I'm going to be very curious what happens in the overnight. Yeah, it may extend here with this bar here. This could be another long. So, yeah, it may want to test. So there could be a long here to go and test either 60 or either 70. Yeah. But the only problem is if you're not in this trade already, where are you going to put your stop? You got to be under leveraged to be at least under, at least at 20. So you need a 20 tick stop. Not a recommendation, but you would need at least a 20 tick stop. So this could be a long, but that is very large stop unless you're under leveraged. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. We'll see you tomorrow. Let's take a look at the calendar. See if there's anything for us to worry about tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday already. Wow. Tomorrow, there's consumer confidence. Sentiment, consumer sentiment. That could be a market mover. Usually not for crude, but we don't know. But it's Friday. We've been talking about this for the past 4 weeks already since the war started. Friday, they want to get out of positions. They want to position themselves. So if you have no business in trading tomorrow, don't. Because Friday has been a challenge for the past 4 weeks. We can't put that aside. So it's going to be the same thing because they do not want to hold a position going into Sunday with geopolitical. It could just crash the market. It can go up 3 points, down 3 points. So they will be positioning themselves. All right, what else do we have tomorrow? Yeah, that's it. There's a Canadian senior loan officer survey. Don't know. I don't think that will affect us. And yeah, there's a Fed at 6 a.m. All right, guys. So yeah, if you have no business trading tomorrow, I'll see how the market is. I may not trade. I forgot that we've been dealing with Friday. So, and I'm going to go and request a payoff right now. Never forget to pay yourself. All right. Thank you, guys. I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Shut it off. If you have profits, don't forget.